The name of Allah who is most beneficent and most merciful. Welcome to Dr. Hassan Mathematics channel. In this lecture, we discuss about the ninth class mathematics exercise 1.2. Its first question is identify the following matrices. Matrices A, its all entries are 0, so it has null matrices or 0 matrices. Matrices B 2, 3, 4, it has only one row, so it has row matrices. Matrix C 406, it has only one column, so it has column matrices. Matrices D, its entries 1, 0 and 0, 1, it has identity matrix because diagonal entries are 1, 1 and non-diagonal entries are 0. These are called identity matrices. E matrix is only 0 element. It has only 0, so it has null matrices or 0 matrices. F matrices 5, 6, 7, its entries. It has only one column are vertically, so it has column matrices. Second question is identify the following matrices. First is -8, 2, 7, 12, 0, 4. These are called entries. Two rows and three columns. Its number of rows and number of columns are not equal. It's a rectangular matrices because two rows and three columns. These are called rectangular matrices. Second is 301. It has only one column, so it has column matrices. Third is 6, -4, 3, -2 entries. It's two rows and two columns. Number of rows and number of columns are equal, so it's a square matrices. Fourth is 1001. It's identity matrices because diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. Fifth is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These entries, it's 1, 2, 3. It's three rows and two columns. Three rows, two columns. Its number of rows and number of columns are not equal, so it's a rectangular matrix. 6 is 3, 10, -1. It has only one row. It's a row matrix. 7th is 1, 0, 0. It has only one column. It has column matrices. 8th is 1, 2, 3, -1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1. These are called entries. It's three rows and three columns. So number of columns and number of rows are equal, so it's a square matrices. Ninth is all entries are 0. It's called null matrices or 0 matrices. Question number third is identify the following matrices. 4004. Its diagonal entries are same. Diagonal elements or entries are same and non-diagonal elements are 0. These are called scalar matrices. Matrices B 2, 0, 0, -1. Its non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal is 2, -1. These are called diagonal matrices because non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements non-zero is called a diagonal matrix. Matrices C 1001. It's a unit matrices or identity matrix because diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. D is 3001. All and except 3. All entries are 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal is 3, 0. These are called diagonal matrices. Matrices E 5 minus 3 0 0 1 plus 1. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Its diagonal elements are same and non-diagonal elements are 0. These are called scalar matrices. Scalar matrices because diagonal elements are same and non-diagonal elements are 0. These all matrices A, B, C, D, E. These are called diagonal matrices. We say that because its non-diagonal elements are zeros. Thank you. We will meet in the next lecture and we solve next 3 questions this exercise. Okay.